Awesome. So I think that's recording now. So today we're not doing an actual Facebook Live. So this is recorded earlier in the week, but we are going to talk to Maylin here and just kind of get to know her a little bit. She works on all of the cases as well. Just like I said earlier, we have a huge team working, well, not huge, we have a team working on your case, taking care of you, and we're here for you. And we just want to kind of show you guys who's working on your cases. And yeah, so Maylin, she's a legal assistant and she does a lot of client relation works as well. So you probably have talked to her or at least emailed with her back and forth a little bit. So Maylin, we're going to start just kind of where we started with the other interviews. So the first one is, where are you from?
Okay, so I was born and raised in the Philippines. Yes, I'm Asian, proud to be Filipino. I think I'm the first and so far the only Filipino in my law group, and I'm a work from home employee. I've never been to Colorado, but one day, hopefully, I can visit you guys there. Although I'm here in the Philippines, the team has, trained and helped me a lot about my current role as a legal assistant. So learning everything I had to learn was a lot easier.
Yeah, awesome, cool. Yeah, so a lot of like we pride ourselves in having round the clock people answering calls and texts and stuff. So with the time change, Maylin picks up a lot of that. So that's where it's kind of makes it happen. So the next question I have for you is, what brought you to Write Law Group?
Well, before working with Bright Law Group, I held several positions in some business process outsourcing here in the Philippines. I started as a customer service rep. Then I worked my way up and became a comp coach, then a trainer, then a supervisor. So I worked in that field for a good 10 years. So I've had extensive training in handling customer service. Then I decided to challenge myself more, tried working from home, and then I had an opportunity to work for an insurance broker that is based in California. Then also worked as a virtual assistant to a doctor who's also based in California. And of course, now with Right Law Group. So yeah, I currently do have three jobs in Right Law Group. I'm the team's legal assistant. I'm also a legal assistant to Alexis, and then I help with client relations as well, just like what you said earlier. So I work at the back end and help our paralegals with discoveries, BWCs, and at the same time, I answer calls at night. So I think most of our
Busy.
existing clients know they're going to be speaking with me if they call late at night. And then to our future clients, I'll probably be the one answering the phones when you call after working hours.
Awesome. Yeah, it's good. It's great to know. Like I said, it's like it's so good to have you to be able to do that and be able to offer that support, because I know in our cases you need that sometimes around the clock. So
Right.
this brings me to my next question, and I kind of like to hear everyone's just like the different answer based on what you do on the team. So the next question is, what is something that you wish people knew before hiring an attorney?
Well, based on the people that I've already spoken with, I know looking for an attorney to represent a case can really be stressful, right? So I hope some people knew that when you talk to an attorney, you have to have the story together. I mean, your story together. You have to be prepared. And I think it's really important to be honest with them so they will know exactly how they can help you. Here also at Right Law Group, everything that we discuss remains strictly between our clients and our firm. So I also wish people knew that you can trust us with your information. Like, we're here to help and not judge you. We all make mistakes and we all make bad decisions in our lives once in a while. So that's what we're here for, to help and lead you to the right path. So don't hesitate to give us your story and we'll help you.
Awesome, awesome. Yep, that's what like part of what I thought as well. I was like, be honest, and that's what we're here for. So, yeah, I like that. I appreciate that about your answer. So now we know a little bit more about you. We like to end on a fun note and just kind of know like what you like to do for fun.
During my free time, I work out. Like if I'm not working out, I just spend time, having spend time with family. I sometimes I go out and do buy stuff for myself or for home improvement, but most of the time I'm just at home taking care of the family and our fur babies. So that's what I usually do, especially in this time of um, pandemic. It's best that we stay at home.
Yeah.
So yeah,
You
nothing
find
really
stuff to do at
fancy.
home. Yeah. So I think we can all kind of relate to that as well. And like a lot of us stay closer to home and do stuff at home. And I know that's what I'm hanging out with my family and my fur babies as well. So yeah, well, that was kind of our wrap up of getting to know Maylin. Now you can kind of you get to know her a little bit, and this is who's working on your cases. When you see her name, now you can put a face to it and kind of know more about her. So we're gonna do a couple more of these as I can convince people from our team to do them, just so you guys get to know everybody. But yeah, thanks so much, Maylin, for calling in and joining us and making the time to hop on this video and stuff. But yeah, we'll talk to you later.
Thanks.